So I've never been a girly girl. Ever. Like, ever nje. Kuwukuthi-ke phela-ke, obviously umama ezala ubuntombazane yakhe yabo yinkomo ingena nani. But it was never that nje. To a point ukuthi I remember Nkulu, they always used to say, hey, kwakumele ube umfana wena. Yabo like bithamadini, uthi hayi wena imlomo yadala, don't say that. Intombazane yami le yabo yonke leyo. But I've never been a girly girl. Khona abafethu that go to an extent of even touching. Like ngesizwe ngayo yabo khona elokishini. Hey bro, it takes a lot to actually be strong and stand firm, like stand very firm uthi nje yazi ngila. So wangingoze singane. Sikapha sathi masivuleka akabuzanga. Mgwaza. Ngingena endlini yami, that's the first thing I wanna see. Uma ngingena ngihlangabezwe igazi on the floor. Uma ngingena ulele phansi bro. Nama paramedic ngapha nangapha. Oh, I thought she was gone on the spot lapha. So ngathi mangene efonini. Ngathola izithombe zesigameko. Okay, igama lami olwethu kaDube. 22 years old. Ngwase Lindelani eNtuzuma. That's where I was born and bred. But grade 4 I moved to eGoli. From grade 4 to 7 if I'm not mistaken, and then moved back this side. So I've never been a girly girl. Ever. Like ever nje. Kuwukuthi-ke phela-ke, obviously umama ezala ubuntombazane yakhe yabo yinkomo ingena nani. But it was never that nje. To a point ukuthi I remember Nkulu, they always used to say, hey, kwakumele ube umfana wena. Yabo like bithamadini, uthi hayi wena imlomo yadala, don't say that. Intombazane yami le yabo yonke leyo. But I've never been a girly girl. To a point ukuthi kwakungiconfuse nami at some points because like abantu ababe around me like were girls yabo speaking about abafana, hey yazi umfana ukuthi wenza ukuthi, and that was never a case with me yabo. So there was a time where ngangifunda Clarence in Morningside. I was in around grade 4. Yeah, sashesha sazenza izinto. I was in grade 4. Kukhona lento yamaphepha le ukuthi you love me yes or no yabo kushelwana kanjalo esikoleni. I remember all my friends had boyfriends and I just didn't have a boyfriend, and babefika kumina ngibasele kakhe la kuzokwenzani kumina to a point ukuthi like a fight would occur yabo. Fine, kuhambe kwenzeke ngixa ngathi kwenzakalani ngami yabo. I didn't voice it out ngangakhuluma nje because nami I was still a kid ngazi ukuthi kwenzakalani. Fast forward, ngihambe ngeGoli, mangifika eGoli, I met a friend. I had a friend who was like Kamala, and I just felt like the guy got me. He just didn't care about each end and all of that. Whatever we did, sasiyenza. Kitchen nokushaya izinqaza amantombazane sibaleke yabo izinto enganjalo yabo. So I've never had this thing yobuntombazane in me, but ngangihlezi ngikhonjuzwa. Phela untombazane, and I feel like leyo nto leyo, I don't know if it suppressed me noma yenza, but yayingicika kakhulu. Like I just didn't like the fact ukuthi ngiyakhonjuzwa, like why ngiyazi ngangikhumbuzi yabo leyo nto leyo. So okay, grade 8 I went to an all-girls school. Mangifika khona hawe ma fika ekhaya. Ngifike ekhaya mangithi ayibo amantombazane kodwa ugqokisa komfana ayibona. Ugqoka kanjani yazi nami yabo, because I always saw vele like i-drip ngiyithanda kodwa ngisaba ukuthi ngithi, because one thing, okay, thama lami nomfundisi. So ever since nje yabo siyasontwa intombazane mayisonto ingqoka isketi yonke leyo nto leyo, kodwa nje it was never in me. Fine, mangifika eLowe boarding school shintsha closet because manje ngisebona school ke manje abazali balena basiyothenga impahla yekho umuntu ongithethe ngenzeni. Okoqala ngwenza bathuka bonke ngena kwi-aisle yabafana. Hayibo kwenzakalani manje because sikwazi ungala. Ngivala umlomo wami futhi ngitshe saze ngizothula. Ngizoyenza into engiyenzayo, and my dad was like, hayibo ngeke ngikhokhele impahla zabafana mina. Yabo leyo nto le I think kodwa uma ngakhuluma naye eceleni because wagcine ese relax engasho lutho. Fine bebe naloko okucwaya lokho bengithandazele yabo nje yonke leyo nto le. I don't lie, mina leyo nto ayingiphathanga kahle because like it gave me an idea ukuthi should konke wrong ngempela ngami yabo, whereas nothing is wrong yabo into eyenzakalayo. So yeah, I decided ukuthi okay, you know what, I'm telling them how I feel because I realized ukuthi okay ngiyawathanda amantombazane. Ngathi mangifika kulesa sikole ngabona ukuthi hayibo maphakade amangaka endaweni eyodwa yabo. When I got there I got a girlfriend. That's where I was like, you know what, I'm telling my mom ukuthi ma mfethu lalela ke ziyakhala ke mfethu yabo. So ngimtext, I remember very well, go WhatsApp. Sasiphume eChapel futhi because sasiba neyinkonzo here and there. Text Mom, I think I like girls. I was like, I know. How? I wasn't expecting the reaction again. I was expecting mhlambe sazoba nje fethu like intende sisazoxabana ngibuze bonke lento. She was like, I know. But right now, akusesona isikhathi sokuthi ungafocusa like on dating and whatnot. You're still very young. Yabo. So she thought it was a phase into ezodlula. Eminyaka iqhubeke lento iyenzeka. Nakho ngiyathandazwa ngihamba amasonto etown. Ngathi ngizokwenzani lo mfundisi yabo. Kanti khulunywa yona leyo nto le sesiyathandaza ke. And I recently found out ukuthi ngoba sasihamba lezi inkonzo like sasihambela the spirit of lesbianism, because that's how they put it. There was a time where I wanted my documents khona isikhwama la abawabeka khona mangikhipha hayibo nama pamphlets alabafundisi ubhalo spirit of lesbianism ngisho sithi ngidemon elikhulu ke yabo nginalento ukuthi nje yabo. But I feel like ukukhulela lokushini mfethu like fine, there's separation that you get from ekhaya, there's a separation that you get from abantu abangaphandle yabo leyo nto, because elokishini abafethu mana nengqondo ukuthi unamanga wena sizoyikhipha lento kuwena yabo leyo nto le. So like nami mangikwi phase ukuthi ngisazama ukukithola angizazi ukuthi kwenzakalani kukhona nabantu abazoba naleyo nto le ukuthi hayi unamanga wena yabo. Like it suppress you like, yo bro, like angifuni qamba manga those like khona ikhathi mina manje kusenzeka lokho where I just sit by myself and I just crash out yabo, because like akukho la umuntu engafeel comfortable enough khona and like unless uzoba nale mindset yokuthi I'm me, I'm not going to change for anybody no matter what yabo leyo nto le. So I feel like in the process of discovering myself into engisizakhulu ukuthi ngibe nale mindset ukuthi ngimina. I learn as I grow. Like I can't get judgment from abanye abantu outside and judge myself now. So it's either you're in it or you're not, basically yabo. So I feel like in my discovery leyo nto leyo ingisize kakhulu, and I feel like namanje I'm still in the process of it discovered, because angizazi I don't know what's going to happen next year or the other year. Yabo leyo nto leyo. I'm not saying I'm going to wake up on things like farmer talks. No, I doubt that's going to happen yabo. I doubt, but I'm still learning as I grow. Separation iningi funa qamba manga iningi ekhaya, friends, family, sometimes without even noticing abantu to suppress you yabo. Like ama comment that I like konja unalo yabo masokhuluma mhlambe ethola ukuthi we talking about girls and mhlambe umuntu is explaining to me how like moment yakhe nethekeni yakhe was mfethu yasafika senze ukuthi konja unalo yabo type shit. Then I'll be like, oh shit konje ish yabo, because I get to a point where I forget I'm a girl ngaphandle mang yabo mhlambe sengeza ke ubuye uthawe makonje yabo yabo leyo nto leyo. But yeah, fethu like I feel like there wasn't a point nje exactly, like I feel like maningi ama points that actually showed me ukuthi okay no nayi lento yenzeka yabo. Uyayixaka at first because I thought mina kuphela uhlukile ngangakaze ngihlangane namanye ama lesbian nama gay emhlabeni. I had this thing ukuthi hayibo kwenzakalani ngami, like mina ngedwa nje first nabo abantu bayajola nabafana, so apparently ukuthi you end up doing izinto ongafuni ukuzenza. I remember I had a boyfriend once and I even remember his name Andile, like in primary yabo. Fine, umantombazana ayajola ngapha mina nginamuntu. I'm like, yeah, no, I'm doing this, you know what, doing this. Then I remember futhi I approached the guy. I told him I have a crush on you yabo. That was a thing nje yenzakala, but we never kissed or anything. It was never in my nature ukuthi okay sesiyatabzana ngeke, fine, I'm not doing that yabo. The only proof, because what can you prove back in the day, only proof ngefethu ukuthi uyangithanda. I remember khona sahlangana khona esikoleni sekuphuma wonke umuntu sasivalelana eklasini babimila amandla ngaphandle bangilindile abalindeni nabalinde mina yabo. Sahlala isikhathi eside lapho uyambona ukuthi serious uyifuna lento manje ayikho kumina yabo, ayenzeki. So a point ukuthi sahamba shana nge-first pump, that was our breakup, because wathi nje yena ngeke ntombi ngamqabuzi yabo leyo nto le. So like ziningi izinto ezingenza ngiyibone ukuthi okay yazi this is me and this is really me. So a point ukuthi even ekhaya like ngathini angazi noma ngizothi ngabanikeze ultimatum noma ngiyenzani, but nabo futhi it was a matter of you in it or you not, because like this is me, you can't change anything ngento engiyona. Like you have to try and understand ukuthi this is me. Like to a point ukuthi fine yabo esontweni laba ikhethi bengaqoka like amabhluka bengaqokwa at all. Ngothatha isinqumo sokuthi ngeke esontweni because angeke ngize ngifake iskate. Like I felt very naked iskate ngifuna amama ukuthi kwakumele ngisigqoke. Every time on the first skate it's I don't fake iskindi ngaphansi noma trunk just to have leyo comfort le yabo. To a point ukuthi thamalabona ukuthi okay fine, shuthi I'm drifting away from the family, from the church, from everything, kahle kahle. And then khona la sahlala khona naye phansi, I was intoxicated. Because nginalento ukuthi okay, I rebel mangekho right. Like I do anything and everything ezongijabulisa at that time. Yabo lento. So ngathatha umuntu uthi okay ngiyophuza, abuye ekhaya nginjani. That's where ngabhodla khona ke. I told him, so no guys, u1 no2 ngeke ngize ngigqoke isketi mina bakuthanda nini. Ngeke ngize ngikwenze because abantu abadala can be very homophobic bengaboni. Yabo lento le. They can be very homophobic. I remember there was a time where amabhuluku ami wonke ashiswa. Bathatha nje bayashisa because nalento ukuthi ngintombazane yabo. Bazoyifaka ngenkani lento le idemoni, kumele sikhuleke nan. Bamba babonza ayikho lento abayenzayo because I stand my ground. Into like mangithe like whatever ezojabulisa mina ngeke ngize ngenze into that's engangijabulisa yabo leyo nto leyo. So bahamba babona ukuthi okay yazi nokuthi silahlekelwe olwethu azizama ukuthi like sim accommodate lapho nalapho la singenza khona yabo leyo nto leyo. Bebuze imibuzo like like uma usenokubuza ukuthi injani intombi yakho ngicathi hayibo uma yabo ungibuza ngentombazane yabo leyo nto kodwa I feel like as ngikhula bayabona ukuthi ayikho into esoyenza and futhi nalama podcast abakhona nama show abakhona I feel like ayasiza kakhulu because yabo nje living the dream with uSomizi babe nokuhlala bebuke bebona okay yazini akukhona amagefa anayinqwaba futhi ayikho futhi into abazoyenza yabo. So even ugogo I remember like wayefuna ukungibuza ukuthi because khona umehluko there's iButch and iFem. So I think wayefuna ukubuza leyo nto manje wena uyini uyiGucci yabo like it's a thing manje siyabo sekuyi joke yabo kuyahlekisa yonke into. So snap, excuse me. It's oppression iningi fan and like ngathini you try to build yourself utshela ukuthi so right kube khona into ezokubisela emuva yabo leyo nto le. Khona abafethu that goes to an extent of even touching like ngesizwe ngayo yabo khona elokushini. Hey bro, it takes a lot to actually be strong and stand firm, like stand very firm ukuthi nje yazi ngila. Because you get people that kill themselves facing ngenxa lezinto. Like I have a friend that killed herself like wakhulelwa. She was like me, like impilo yakhe yonke wakhulelwa and then wayibulala. Yabo leyo nto le because of suppression you end up doing izinto that are out of your way in order to like and futhi yabona futhi mangabe uzongithola at my most vulnerable moment vele lapho whatever ngathini khona abantu abagullible mfethu like mangi weak ngingekho right ufika uzothi hayi woza mfethu vele yabo let me see ukuthi ngempela uyiyona yini lento le because khona abantu abakwenzayo lokho umuntu athatha ithuba ekubona ukuthi awukho right and you like at your unsure moment abona ithuba ubhakathi hayi ngamthola lo afika athi ayazini let me help you find yourself yabo yonke leyo nto le like don't allow that, stand your ground yabo because mina I've had my instance kanjalo even abangani bami all over bami ngihlala nabo. So clearly sonke mhlawumbe sokhona abahambile next mina ulimi seliyashintsha kodwa mina ngikhathele ubomngane akhe umtshita usungaze isikhathi esingaka. So kuningi futhi izinto ezicindezela ngifuna uqamba manje kodwa nje ukubiza ukuthi uzazi and always have a positive mindset like at all times. Iyona into esiza like ngisho ukuthi udrown kangakanani kuyakuphoqa. I feel like if you gay, lesbian or anything bro, you gotta be positive. You just have to be because if you're not everything is going to be a downfall. Yabo leyo nto le. Yeah gonna bro, I have a lot to say. I have a whole lot to say. I feel like azikho enough. Like especially emalokishini. Like azikho nje like azikho at all futhi kuziningi ndawo. Like khona iy'kole that don't even have ama-committee for izinto ey'kanjalo. Because in a school, for instance, if there's like 1,000 people, mhlawumbe bengaba u-50 abazovela obala. But kule 50 evela obala, it doesn't mean ukuthi yilabo kuphela abakanjalo in the whole school. Yabo leyo nto. So I feel like maybe mangase kuvulwa ama-campaign yabo sibe big on ama-campaign akanjalo emalokishini. And I feel like abantu that are going to be able to actually like angazi take part noma kube bona abazoba ama-leaders alezo zinto, it has to be people in the community. Because you can't take a straight person umfake entweni ye-community. I feel like iy'cathulo zakhe, it's like taking iy'cathulo enkulu and wearing them. You don't really know what's going on. But I feel like it's better if like you're going through leyo and we have an idea ukuthi okay fine ngingayitheklisha kanjani into ukuthi. Because khona abanye mfethu all their life they've never been out of the closet. So uyabona ukuthi lo muntu kanje Kodwa they're so scared to voice out ngenxa yama judgments akhona nanani. So I feel like ama groups nje lawa amancane mfethu, like where people are able to voice out. I feel like izinto ezikanjalo ama platform akanjalo kumele avulwe kakhulu, because we preach ukuthi freedom of speech, but trust me, there's none. Like i-platform ayikho ebekiwe, yabo le nto. You could say okay, fine, abanye abantu are ignorant, but you get people that aren't ignorant that really want to speak out, but there's no stepping stone. I can't just step emoyeni ngithi ngizokhuluma ayikho uzongiseka la ngezantsi kwami, yabo le nto leyo. So enye into, be in it, don't pretend to be in it, yabo le nto. Khona abantu who say, nah, I'll be with you all the way, just because that's the way to live. That's what's being said at that moment in time. Whereas I hambisani nawe at all. Yabo leyo nto ngayibona back in high school. There was, because when committee act we had this thing. I didn't want to wear a skate esikoleni. I had an alternative. I had a metric suit. It's not like ngangizogqoka ugrenge nkani, yabo. I didn't want to do that. I had the alternative, a track suit. I'm comfortable with that. But ngathi sengikwenza lokho regularly kwaba lento ukuthi hayi uzopromote ubutabane lesikoleni. I was like, how? Ngizofunda kanti la noma ngize kwi-promotion, yabo ngashiyeka lapho. And then kwaba khona campaign that was opened esikoleni sami ukuthi okay, fine, khona campaign LGBTQ yabo. Yabo the campaign leyo kwathiwa it's for ama voices to be heard, yabo. None, but no voice was actually heard. None whatsoever. Yabo laba, I feel like umuntu usuke selwela isidima sakhe nokuthi kuzothiwani if I'm not for this. Not because they really in it, yabo. Because yavula leyo campaign, but still there was a fight yami nokugqoka kwami skate esikoleni, and I failed to understand. Because ngangifika ngifake tracksuit, uniform cleaning, polish, yonke into right. Ngifika ngizobhala nje. Khona there was a point where I didn't write. They were like, ngeke uzobhala ufake leyo nto. I was like, hayibo. Ngifundile, I'm prepared for this exam. I know what I'm going to write. Angeke kuze kubhala ibhlukwe. Ngifake i-tracksuit eyesikole ine-emblem ngiyithenge ngoba ngifuna ukuba comfortable again, but it was a whole thing. Yes, there was a campaign in my school, but it wasn't like effective enough. Lento ngisho ukuthi don't be in it if you're not in it. So ingakho ngithi mina ngathi ngaba abantu that are in the community that are going to be like heads of lawo ma campaign lawo, yabo. Okay, fine. As the internet one, I feel like into engiyenzayo, I don't wanna lie, yabo. Because very inkundla zikhala ngazo, but at the same time, nathi referring to other gays, lesbians, and everybody in the community. I feel like most uzofika endaweni kanjena, have an open mind about things. Because you can't want a voice, usude give you a voice, sekuwena futhi manje who's backing down, who's not, like, who doesn't want to speak up that much. Ubufuni platform, usuyinikiwe. Nasi li step ususinikiwe, have an open mind about things. Because not everyone is going to know how you feel. Mhlawumbe umbuzo engubekayo ungase ufike ngendlela engekho right kuwena, but you know for a fact bengayona inhloso yami ukuthi ngikunyathele. Now I was just asking a question, so sizokwazi ukuthi like broaden the idea of lento lena. So I feel like if you're going to come to a platform and have an open mind, number one. That's like the best you could do. Have an open mind in order for nabanye ukuthi besizakale. Because some people show lana izokwenza ukuthi lo munye besaba ukuthi a voice out akwazi usakhuluma ukuthi oh actually yazini, let me be comfortable enough to talk about this, yabo leyo nto leyo. So nathi we should have an open mind. We can't ask for usizo usulitholile sekuwena ke manje odembeselayo noma ungafuni ukukhuluma as such, yabo leyo nto leyo. And I feel like if you have to cry entweni kanje, do it. If emotions are triggered to a point ukuthi uyakhala, do it, yabo, because there's no other place you could talk. This is the platform you're given, and into yokukhuluma ingasiza nomunye umuntu. So nothing beats an open mind, honestly. So usudlani? Usudlani usuphuza lamaphilisi na, I was like, lutho. Kathiwa khona izinto engiyidlayo, but then azikho izinto engiyidlayo. Namanje basabuza because waqala kwamile yodwa. Back in high school, uwandile ngakutshela. I had like intshebe yodwa nje la. I had sports, ngaqala ngamile sports. Then kwathi boom, intshebe yodwa. Klasini kwahlekwa untshebenye. Kuhlekwa kwamile yesibili wathi untshebe embili, kuthi okay. Futhi kuzoloke kubalwa, and then iloke yanda, angazi nami yandiswa yini. Iyayimilele. Ikhona lento. Right. So into eyenzeka last year bengifunda. So bengifunda bengise Danaco, iplaza nje lincane outside of Newcastle before eMnambitho kodwa. Khona nje iplaza nelikhona lapho. So bengifunda doing diesel mechanics last year nje. Seplazini new place kodwa khona abasekhaya abasebefikile vele kuleyo ndawo before me. So ngathi ngifika vele awu khona malume yabo kamnandi nje yonke into right. So ngathi ngifika first day ngikhumbula kahle safika ngomhla 5. And then ngomhla ka 6 it was February. No, it was ngomhla 5 ngomhla 15 but kwangino 5 phakathi. And then the following day as decide ukuthi sizophuma nje because eceleni kwala sasifunda khona kwakhona indawo yokuphuzela yabo shise nenyama sidla inhloko yonke leyo nto leyo. Siphume siyakhona nomalume sihlale phansi siphuzele manje ngithi ngothenga ubhe account ena yibo bandlona yabo ngibone nje usisi fethu and before ngiyekena saqale sabukana ngithi mina ngumalume hayi malume ubadona athi malume imshana eshona khona uyizoyela yabo hayi vele uyazi kumalume ke ngiqhashe nami sukume ngihambe ke khona ngifike ngithenge the time ethatha imali ngisibambe isandla sibukane mfethu sidedelana yabo ngithenga ubhe hamba uhlala phansi siqhubeke nento esiyenzayo sasibonene nalo sisi kuba ukubonana kwami naye kanjalo fine vele indawo esijwayele ukuthenga kuyona ukudla lena hlezi sila indawo nje ngeke salisha igama la khona fine sizwane nalo sisi sikhulume ukukhuluma kwethu I think I don't remember very well noma sasiphuzile soba u2 yini noma wayesebenza ngisakhumbula kahle kodwa khona la sathola nje ithuba lokuthi sikhulume nje kahle soba u2 we spoke kamnandi exchange numbers nasefonini sikhulume kahle nje mfethu yabo like angakasheli angakatshengisi nokuthi futhi content engiyifunayo yabo siyaxoxela nje kamnandi fine ukukhuluma kwethu kube ukuthi we end up speaking about izinto deep yabo like we built a connection yabo sisiswane so bad like I told her things like nobody knew about myself naye futhi kwaba kanjalo sazwana nje big time yabo then I think a week noma same week ngithole mangibuza ukuthi hayi lona mfethu uzwana noSibanibani yabo ish like snap khona umuntu ajola naye kanti we hey fine ubudlelwane bami buqhubeke ubudlelwane bami naye sixoxele ayibo kube khona la siphuze khona siyochama kathi siyochama soba u2 hey masifika emkameni mfethu siqhabe siqede sekuwashwa izandla sibe lokubukana we both know what you want to do dog like umuntu okhona futhi la engimonzazini akesta kwenzeka ngisaqabulana yabo emva lokho kube ukuthi konke evukayo sesiyarealize ayibona nakho kuvuka noma feelings la kwenzakalani manje yabo ngimtshele futhi nayo the feeling was mutual but sibona lento ukuthi you can't do anything bro because you dating somebody yabo leyo nto le and lo muntu ayetshela naye like he was like those niggas nje elokishini yabo labo bantu lebo you touch my things yabo abantu abanjani fine sizwane sivumelana ukuthi not going to do anything mina naye siphuze futhi kade sivumelene njalo ukuthi ngesenze lutho siphinde sibonane siphinde siphinde sivumelane futhi wrong lento senzayo cela singaphinde siloko sivumelane kanjalo siqhubeke sikhulume siphinde sidake so every time masidayiwe besihlangana something happens bese siyavumelana until there was a point where like she vented to me and she told me about her relationship, how unhappy she was, how she wanted to like come out of the relationship yabo aphume nje fast kodwa bengafuna ukwenza aqhamazele she needed a plan because umphuma kwakhe kanjalo she would like lose almost everything basically because they hadn't ingane labantu laba so kumele acabanga yonke leyo nto oqala okay fine sivumelane ukuthi okay we're going to lay low fine I siqhubeke sixoxele. And there was a time where we both just confessed our feelings sangaba nandaba ukuthi ubani uzothini kanjani because I mean kade sasifela ngaphakathi sikhulume ngimtshela nami type bro nami I fine ngizozama ukunderstand but to a certain extent like don't blame me mase kufikela nga-understand khona because bro indaba okucasha yabo what for fine okay kube khona lana I think umjida I don't know naye noma wayesehlele ngokufihla ebantwini ukuthi umtreata kanjani lona what not akekho umuntu engaboni it was clear to a point ukuthi I had some of our friends telling me that it started 2019 with better relationship yeah yabo So nalona ke nganginaye, we ended up like taking the room, like mangisemqashweni ngimtext ngibhorekile, please come to me. Naye athola indlela yokudoja. Yabona nje siyenze it for the longest time not knowing ukuthi siyabona. Siyenze lento siyenzayo and then kube khona la amshaya khona. Ayidakiwe. Mangifona ifone manje uyena umjida. Oh, before that, like the guy, I had this idea ukuthi umjida ogrande kanti ukubona umuntu ozoyiveza as enye into then masuqala sondelana naye they show you another side futhi because ngaqala ngazwana naye yabo I'm very business minded yabo so ngathi mangifika endaweni ngabona imali I was like okay uthi ngimngene lo ngamahabli because unendawo yokuphuza yabo uthi ngimngene ngezinto ezukuthi yabo fine athande nathi umshana unengqondo yabo yonke leyo nto le kube ngathi siyazwana until I heard what he does to the girl then I picture yami like yeah kimehlweni nami simply just vanished yabo because anginalento ukuthi awalo mjito umbathi isikhumba semi like ngalana umjito we-GPV ngalana uzozenza yabo umuntu ogrand yabo leyo nto leyo fine okay there was an instance la amshaya khona ngikhumbula kahle ngimfonela sasiyiphumela nama-athami ngimfonela because ngihlezi ngimfonela like we were always on the phone like wawuzufunga ukuthi mhlambe akanamuntu esayidini because indlela sasikhuluma ngayo like was consist even ekhona like umjida like that's how much kwangathi akekho ekhona basically like sahlezi sikhuluma ndawonye so there was a time where I called ngithi ngiyamcheck ngimfonele ifone ibanje out athi funa oh ngazi ukuthi ngiphendule ngithini athi ngithe ufunani kuyena ngithi mina sicela unikeze umnikazi wefone manje ngizochaza ukuthi ngifunani nakhona bengangijumpisa when it because like at that point I didn't know what to say but at the same time ngiyazi lo muntu ngale akumele futhi naye phela abe senkingeni ngenxa ukuthi yabo mina sengikhathele ukufika into esiyenzayo athi yazi mina lalela nana abafuna usho ngiyamshaya ebekele ifone ngifuna ukuya khona angazi ukuthi ngizofika khona ngenzeni bengimamba abangani bami bro uma fika lapho uzokwenzani ngifonela uma is always my go to place for ma like I was crying mama na inkinga la kwenzakaleni ngimchazela mangimchazela it's too late ukuthi ngaloku ngichaza istory side kanje ngimane ngenza manqapho ngimsendele inamba yakhe lokhu umjida thinking ukuthi like she's going to be able to calm the guy down or something I don't know what I was thinking amfonele mayimfonela I don't know what the guy said to umana angazi yabona into ukuthi like I'm proud to say the guy's a narcissist yabo everyone should be on his side to a point ukuthi ngesikhathi qeda ngomshaya people had this idea ukuthi mina wayemshaya wathi qeda ngomshaya bangifonela uthi ngicela ngilanda ngeke ngikwazi ukuhlala lana ngizofa phela la ngamlanda sayocasha inqashweni wami we changed rooms ngalolu suku yabo kwaba ukuthi sicasha lana so people had this idea ukuthi njengoba mina ngimthatha ngazongiqashisa imini umuntu kade ngishaya yabo so a point ukuthi sathi sesovula iqala yena engale thina singala wangena ethi hey bro sahleka ufuna uqamba mali lapha we just stopped and laughed because I'm so sorry kodwa sathi sasingena because angisabona okay fine sihleli kanjena nangumuntu ngala iphoyisa leli esikhuluma nalo ubhali statement wangena nesicabheni mfakuza nkosi nangu umshayayo hayibo bro uze kumina ngoba ibalekela wena ushawa yimina ngobani yabo sahleka soba-2 ntombazane babone futhi nalapha esize kubona ukuthi hayibo lo mjito uyagula baqhubeka bhala statement sakhe sasukuhlala kancane emqashweni kwavula protection order nani so there was distance nje nakhona so saba nesivumelano sokuthi okay fine ngoba sekukhona protection order nani uzophuma umjito because ingane yahlala naye aphume mayephuma thinking everything is okay he's going to respect him imithetho ye protection order nani kanti uthulu uyacabanga umuntu ukuthi ngisazobuya nina ninamanga just one day sihleli endlini ke siyaxoxela nje kamnandi yabo we just speaking because we had this thing ukuthi we plan ukuthi sokwenza kanjani mina ngoNovember ngase ngizohamba kuleyo ndawo so we had to plan ukuthi mase sihamba because we were planning ukuhamba sonke so senza kanjani ke mase sihamba ke la like yabo yonke leyo nto leyo not knowing ukuthi usuku seliseduze so time isihleli lapho ngidembesela ukuya esitolo ngifika ukuthenga ama snacks lo ngidembesela nje kuze kunethe then the time saqala imvula ngithi nengephe ngiyaphuma manje ngihambe ngothenga ama chips ngekade ngohalela ngiphume ngihambe ngesitolo ukuphuma kwami ngiphuma ngegate elingemuva I had the keys and awushoni wonke I had the keys we keep lo gate elingemuva nobody used that gate so ngangisebenzisela lona mangiphuma ngala kanti uyangena yena la ngaphambili ngena nengane uyazi mangabe ngqongqoze endlini yethu we're not going to open so wangqongqoze singane Kapha sathi masivuleka akabuzanga. Mgwaza. Ngiyafonelwa mina ngisesitolo uthiwa bro wherever you are ungaphindeli la endlini. Zama uqasha because kade la lomjida and uyakufuna. Hayibo uyangifuna ugwaza intombi yakho la she's bleeding to death. Ngathi ngizwa lelo angizange ngize ngijika ngibangizange ngibale ngaqonda ngoendlini. Ngibaleka mina ngigijima ngiqonda endlini. Ngigijima ngiqonda endlini mangifika endlini. Okay ngitshela umalume fonela ambulance because sahlele eduze neclinic. Yabo athi no usekhona uMagebe khona umunye umjida oyiparamedic bathi no usefikile la sesifonela samthola fast ngigijime ngendlela mangifika endlini khanya ama lights everywhere like ingqondo yami iphitheni what is going on abaqashi sebephumile yo ngibona ukuthi okay ishubile la even emaphoyisa nansi la nayi ambulance lana I'm lost what's going on ngingena endlini yami that's the first thing I wanna see mangingena ngihlangabezwe igazi on the floor mangingena ulele phansi bro na ama paramedic ngapha ngapha yo I thought she was gone on the spot lapha. Ngikhale khayizi like I'm lost. I don't know what's going on. Bese ngithuba uzohamba naye. Kwakhona umamkhulu wakhe. Yabo. Ngithi mina ngimamkhulu akasale nengane ngizohamba mina. Because omela sale nengane ingane yayilele vele kuleso sigameko seke yonke ingane ayikho like around. Ingane uthi mayese ngichazela because she survived for like two weeks after that. Wathi mayese ngichazela ngathi mina enganeni baleka uhambe gogo. So because ingane ezama ungenela wabamba ingane elahlele eceleni apparently watshela ingane ongcebo ukuthi baleka kuye gogo ngane thatha ifoni yabaleka yaya gogo so from lapho ingane yangabonakala on the scene engangena naye kwi ambulance sahamba sayisibhedlela no 2 weeks kumele ngiyeke lokho esikoleni ngizama ukuthi ngiyobheka lo muntu and I didn't have a problem with that I wanted to do it yabo le nto le okay fine ngimbheka only to like not knowing ukuthi uzoshiya ke after 2 weeks. Futhi it wasn't 2 weeks, it was longer than that, I'm lying. Saba side nje isikhathi. Wazoshona ngebirthday ngane yakhe on the 4th of November last year. Washona kanjalo ke. Waboshwa kumjida. Wafuna ibail. I don't know if he got bail or anything because I decided mina let me cut contact for the sake of my sanity. Yabo. Umuntu kade kuyena ebenginaye akasekho so asikho isidingo sokuthi ngiloke ngilandelele. Yes, I wanted to do it because why no put the pen? Kwakuyena no bhuti wakhe. Yabo. So a part of me wanted to know how bhuti wakhe was. Namanje I still do how ingane is coping yonke leyo nto leyo yabo because uOlet lakho lenziwa njana in front of you. So apparently wathi mayese qeda kwenza le nto umfethu wathi intshela uOlet uthi igazi lakhe lisezandleni zakhe. Hawu. Ayifuna mama ngaleyo nto yangidla. Because ngase ngilo ngiyibuza ukuthi okay what if I didn't date this person mhlawumbe ngabe usakhona emhlabeni yabo what if but ngibuye lento ukuthi what we had was true like sasingandlali yabo and like it was very real bro because she told someone naye about it umuntu ayemthemba nami I told someone about it as much as kwakumele kodwa kuhlale kanje but kwagcine kuphumile kuvele obala and mina I had nothing to hide because ngangithanda naye futhi I felt like she was so happy dog like to a point ukuthi she said things to me like you making me feel like a child again yabo like you buyisa le nto lelo because why suppressed if that umuntu phela yabo mase ekhuluma nami umuzi ukuthi umuntu ayekho right and akekho umuntu ayikuthi akekho umuntu onendaba uthi ufila kanjani but she has to try and be strong for everybody because she was like yabo the go-to person for wonke umuntu and ngathi ngifika mina I think I was the person she was able to be comfortable again akhulume again and then lokho kwaphela kanjalo so ekhaya ke bangilanda ke leyo ndawo kwathiwa ngikho safe because wayinabangani umtshiti and I'm not from leyo ndawo ngalandwa ngingazi nje ukuthi ngizolandwa ngabona imoto yakhe sekhaya sipawa ngathatha wafaka emotweni yazavuka faka uchild lock ngaze ngavulela sengifika la eThekwini as much as I blame them but I feel like babe ngisiza because apparently ngathi ngihamba ngabe ngifuna okay, isanda kuqala lento was really painful. Like, kwabuhlungu mfana because nobody understood my side of the story. Kwakuyilento ukuthi uzobhidliza imizi yabantu la, uzele uzobhidliza imizi yabantu la noma uzele uzofunda. Yabo into kanjalo, not knowing what we actually had was real and I don't blame abantu for not understanding my side. I was in it, not them. But it was really, it was hard. Angifuna uqamba manga mfana. Bengikangalaleki number 1. because nganginento ukuthi bele ngizama ukuthi ngikhulume naye until yena alala. And by the time kumele silale sesibhedlela sekuyavuka. Yabo. So I didn't get a chance to actually feel because kwakumele ngizame ukuba strong for yena and also for myself ngaleso sikhathi yabo le nto. I feel like ukube ngaphuka nami I broke down like ayikho into ayizolunga. Yabo. So I had to try and stay strong. I only got time to actually heal. Namanda, I don't think ngihilile honestly because you know, try and think about it and I cry. Yabo le nto because the plans we had, bro. Komele kwaphela nje kanjalo yabo. So kusanzima namanje. Ukuthi I feel like ukukhuluma ngayo kodwa ikona okungisizayo. Because I don't mind talking about it honestly. Ngiyakhuluma nje ngayo and I feel like the more I speak about it the more kuna leyo nto leyo yabo. And I still like I have khona omunye umngane wakhe ababejwayelene naye kakhulu. So nginokuthi mangizizwa engathi I'm not okay ngempela. And then ngikhulume naye. Yabo reach out, tell her, bro, I'm not okay. Yabo, how are you coping here? And cause naye only to find out naye la khona ngekho grand yabo. Sikhulume kuyimanga kwazi ukuthi ngibond because naye wazi washo ukuthi yazi mfethu uhlezi ngicabanga and it's really unfair. Ukuthi nobody ever speaks about how you feel because wena kahle kahle who knew this person, who knew them for who they are. Yabo, hayi le facade le ayegqoka for people to see. Because most of her life she wore a mask. Like lento ukuthi ngifuna nibone leli side but mina I got to see that side that people didn't know. So it really broke me. Mama, like yo, it did. To a point ukuthi hey, bro, it broke me, bruh. Like oh man, I don't see myself dating because of that. And that's in the idea of love and everything. Right, I love it, yabo. I wouldn't mind being in it, but I feel like emotionally I am not ready for it as much as ngifuna ukuthi yabo love is beautiful mfethu but khona izinto esezenzekile esengiyibona no actually when you're not there, you think you're there but you're not there, you know what I mean? Yeah, I didn't even get to go to give memorial service no mngcwabo khona and I feel like mhlawumbe kube ngaya emngcwabeni or at least memorial service I was going to be able to deal with the situation because a part of me didn't believe she was really gone. At a worst stage of not being able to do anything, game phones and to a point of her being able to do things because she couldn't walk, she couldn't do anything. But let's try and walk. So I was notice walk because pulling our pants, show more talk. The next thing you know, put him especially say I see you, aybo. Me nothing kuluma na umuntu lo. Yabo. So like a part of me didn't believe she's really gone. To a point I even texted her hoping she's gonna respond. Yabo. Yeah, sometimes call her. I was there and there was a time when I didn't have a phone. Yabo. So I feel like ungaboni lutho kinda helped me. Ngithukuthi kancane yabo ngayitshela ukuthi ay ngiright manje I know I've accepted that she's gone and whatnot. I recently got her phone and iy'thombe zami ziyayiseveka ku Google Photos so ngithi mangabe ngibuyele ey'thombeni I get pictures esezindala so ngathi mangene efonini ngathola iy'thombe zesigameko like blood on the floor yabo yonke leyo nto leyo so it triggered a whole lot, made me realize ukuthi no kahle kahle ngikho grand. Because even when I'm a fan, yabo into engenza realize kakhulu ukuthi angikho right. I try like ukuthi go into relationships yabo I'm still young bro. Kodwa ngithi mase ngifike khona ngikhulume ngaye. That's where I see it now. Kahle kahle angakadluli. Yabo leyo nto leyo. Not that I compare but I speak about her. I speak about it. There was an instance where I was speaking to somebody phone in perfume what's my filter? Immediately. I'm a conflict and I voiced that as phone not bearing in mind because I'm speaking about another woman to another woman. Yabo leyo nto leyo. So izinto ekanjalo made me realize ukuthi kahle kahle mfethu wena awukakadluli. And I think kusakude futhi. Okay. Before nje siye kuma therapist, you counseling nani. I feel like lento kumele iqale la nje ukuthi make it a norm ukukhuluma nokubuzana ukuthi right mfethu. Like normalize you checking up on a person. Ungaze kuze kuye kuma accent uma counseling no therapist because uthi mawusofika phambi kwayo kanje, umuntu ongajwayele vele ukukhuluma, uzoqala ukukhuluma uthini. Ngisho ngakubuza umbuzo, it's not going to be easy for you to just respond to leyo mbuzo because lento yokukhuluma it's foreign to you, yabo leyo nto leyo. So before size sithi nje kuma therapist, I feel like thina sisonkana. Like kumele iqale la kuthina lento lesibuzana sisodwa. Like I feel like angazi yabo mina for instance, I'm bubbly. Ngiyakubona nama ngekho right. Like ngila. Yabo bese utshatha I should say yonke right ngoba nakho ngikanjalo. No, it's not the case. Ama characters it's our fun. Give yourself time to go back. Ngisho wathi umuntu la umbuzo yabo mfethu. Wena hlaza uphapha uright kodwa mfethu like ungazi kubona ungekho right. Uright yabo izinto ekanjalo. I feel like if we first open up thina sabantu then sifika ku professional level vele like ufundisekile wena ukuthi izinto uyibuza kanjani and how do you make a person open up a bit more, but it's going to be easier for lo muntu lo onaleyo nkinga leyo because sijwayele vele ukuthi sikhulume. Like I feel like ukukhuluma kuthina kuyihlazo. If I speak about something then like cause omunye umuntu akayazi then kumele ngicashe ngisabe ukuyikhuluma yabo leyo nto leyo. I don't think we make it a norm ukuthi angazi ngayibeka kanjani lento leyo. Like mina for instance ngiyabuzana mina isidingo sisingeke to a point ukuthi omunye umuntu wazathi yona you too affectionate. Mina I ask my friends, "That's bro, I'm like I ask you because I need to know." Like I normalize the nto kubuzana ukuthi are you okay? Are you coping? Yabo izinto kanjalo. Mangaqala kuthina everything would be better. Like it would be easy for us to be vocal. Yabo leyo nto leyo. Ungakhulumi ngokusaba ukuthi ish uzothini inkondelo yana yabo leyo nto leyo. Yeah, so that's how I feel. Yeah, ngifuna mama ngoba khona lokho. Namanje futhi kusakhona. Yabo. Like kwaba khona lokho uthi hawu hayi cha umfazi womuntu pho. Yabo. Cause ngoba ngisho ukuthi the picture the guy painted was ukuthi nje umfazi wakhe bamthela ngenyongo mina ngifike nje ngahliphiza nje shuthi yabo. So baba naleyo nto uthi hawu kodwa sikhambisa ukuthi uyofunda. Yona ufika le ufike. Yabo so point ukuthi ngiyaba ijoke namanje. Lapho umuntu yabo for instance let me like example lapho emakhona umcimbi ethizeni khona umuntu ofikile uthi umgadeke lo yabo into kanjalo. Yes, you can make it a joke but it does cut. I don't wanna lie. Sikubeka eceleni nje ukuthi ngumuntu okwazi ukuthi abe open about izinto nani I choose ukuthi nezongilimaza nani kodwa I feel like it shouldn't be like that. You should know into wrong mangabe keep ngomlomo wakhe. It's not everything ongajoke ngayo. Yabo. Yeah, kwaba khona lokho uthi hawo mfazi womuntu like wena kodwa hey I can't put anything past you Nkosi yami. Yazi usuthi sayitshela usabambe lokho hawo nangu oluthi sevumbuka nalokho. Fine, ngi understand ukuthi kunina kufike ngale picture yokuthi but I lost the person I loved. Like how about you ask me how I feel about it? So khona umuntu engikwazi ukuthi ngikhulume naye like khona mamncane wami gang like I speak everything naye. Yabo. So I think mhlambe wakhuluma nabo babona ukuthi no sinyathela ngendlela engamele sinyathele ngayo. And then uma approached me wangibuza ukuthi do I want to speak to somebody about it? Yabo izinto kanjalo. Ngabona ukuthi okay. Yabo then I tried speaking to someone but I was like, you know what, nah. I won't speak to anybody actually. Yabo kodwa bazama bona. Like I got a bit of both. Now or never. Like Puma. If you see gap, Puma. That's all I can say. Puma. Because I'm a gap ayayiveza. Ukuthi people just sit down and contemplate ukuthi ngiphuma. But Puma like yabo whatever I feel like Hey, I can't, yabo, this one I can't express enough. Puma. Yabo, like, okay, fine. Instance le ukuthi ngenzela ingane sophila kanjani. I can't just move ingane yami bifunda lana. I can't just change schools. Can we cross that bridge when we get to it? Cause uzofa. Ayikabi. Honestly, uzofa. Usazama ukucontemplate ucabanga ukuthi mangifika lapha ngizokwenza njani. Ubona mase ufikile lapha kodwa usuphumile esikhokweni. Don't normalize into engekho. Don't normalize ukuphatha kabi kuze kube ngathi ku right. No, Puma. Yo, Puma. No, mbuzo. Okay. Ayike ngiyawuthanda ke mina lo mbuzo ke. Okay. Fine. Mina, ake ngikhulumele mina. Because abanye abantu bake bethi kubalula because now intombazane uyazi ukuthi kumele kanjani. Mina ngazi, I've never dated a guy into serious, so I don't know ukuthi amantombazane treatwa kanjani. I just do. But I feel like, bro, it shouldn't be one-sided at all times. Yabo. Into sengiyinaki kakhulu, like ama-outami nje ngenza example ngama-outami. Abafethu angazi mhlawumbe ufile ngathi uzohlazeka umuntu mayebuza umbuzo omayelana nezinto zangale, yabo, when you guys bedroom talk and what not, yabo. Kanti ukukhuluma kuyasiza, bro, because khona ngathini, in every way it has to be both of you guys. Mankhuluma, when it comes to emotions, kumele nenze short about when right, you communicate everything, and mangithi you communicate everything, is everything, yabo leyo. Because there was an instance where, like, one of my friends told me ukuthi umuntu wakhe yena mayese right uyalala bhekele ukuthi yena ukwenzakalani ngaye, yabo. I feel like life imosheke khona kahle. Because lento le it's about two, we both should be okay, yabo leyo nto le. So mina into engiyenza ehlukile, mina I talk, I communicate. Number one nje, I communicate. Khona abantu that say we communicate but they don't really do it. Yabo, they want to do it, they like the idea of communication but they don't. Akulula vele ukukhuluma. Akulula ukutshela umuntu akusinyisa amasokisi fethu lapha yana fethu konke ongayenzi kahle, akulula. But you just have to do it if you want the relationship to go on, if you want you guys to be strong, you got to do it. Uye ukuthi amahloni kanjani umuntu wakhe ngathi lo ngifuna ukuya phambili, khulumane. Yabo, akusiza ukukhuluma nama out kuphela fethu azibone hey lo muntu owenza nayo izinto ukuthi ungakhulumi naye. Yabo, sesingakhonqana sisodwa eceleni kodwa uma usufika la kumuntu wakho khuluma fethu. Talk, bro. Yabo, ungabantu phela mina ngiyindoda nada. Leo ayispani that much. Like communication into ingayisho nophethe. Nibuzana ukuthi when comfortable ngani. Yabo, kusmithane lapho. Khona abantu abasebenzisa ama toys, like sex toys. I don't use that. Ama sex toys angiwasebenzisi mina. People like that, but I don't. I just use what I have emzimbeni wami. I use my hands, I use my tongue, you know, I use some parts of my body. Yabo. Oh no, lo mbuzo. Okay, mina nje, for instance, ngoba ade singishilo, I don't use ama sex toys. I don't see the idea of buying Ngatsini, but the point, okay, fine, dildos and everything, I'm not a big fan of that. Because this is me naturally, right? I don't have it, Stanis. I wouldn't want to give my girl the idea of something I don't have. Ginalento ukuthi mengasay told enough, like mina ngcono uphume ethola le real deal. Ngishawele yonto kahle. That's the reason why I don't use that. So I use what I have. I think it's a matter of understanding, like, ngatsini. Yo. Okay, but as much as you're giving, bro, but okay, fine. Yo, mbuzo lo. Okay, ngatsini. Let me put it like this. Fine. I use my hands, I use my tongue, and depending on how comfortable I am now, we do go to a point of Yabo, that I only did with lo muntu lo kade sikhuluma ngaye manje. I was very comfortable with him. We explored. Yabo. I feel like the more, I don't know, like angazi ngempela ngayibeka kanjani, but yeah, I use leyo nto leyo ngisebenzisa my hands and my tongue, but yeah, from what I've heard, the satisfaction iba khona. Angafatuza, funqamba mango, aflopa big time. Didn't know what I was doing, but I knew I wanted this girl, yabo. Kwababa killed me. Yo. La ngibulala iGwababa, la ngibulala kodwa manje lento ukuthi ayingeke phela hu. Kuyoze kube nini? Fine ngeke. When was it? Kwakuyisenanda seminar. Yeah, grade 8. The girl was older than me, yabo. So I come on no problem if it's about like intombazane was friends with abangani bami. Like I had abangani abadala now. So beqale bengikhulumile nalengane yabo ukuthi ubiyaca mfethu why kumele ngihanjele phambili iqala ngabe ngiyena angikhulumeleke bengikhulumele still ngisho sengikhulunyeliwe yibo amatata. So ngizama uapproach ingane ngikhulume naye mangikhuluma naye abona ukuthi nginegwababa abafana ngiyaqhaqhazela ngikwazi ukisho ngifuna ukisho azangishole. Angisholo yena mfethu kube wena ongihambela phambili then ngilo ngivuma into ayishoyo yena then ufika ipoint where manje we have to do things yabo. Fine kube mina oshort ngicela senze ukuthi kodwa mase sifika endaweni esigameko hawe ma kusenzeki sekunzima manje yabo. So point ukuthi uyena futhi waqala lapha yena qabula mina ngabona no it can't be ngeke mfethu akwazi ukuthi yabo. Fine ngizama ukuthatha control of the situation but indlela engaflopa ngayo uthi ngathi ngimqabula mayengichazele because sakhuluma ngayo sahlele. Uthi indlela ofathuza ngayo wazophakamisa imilenze like people. Yabo like looking at myself now and going back to that yabo like I don't know lie iGwababa lana ngishaya kakhulu kodwa ngithi yazini let me go for it. And I feel like ukuya entweni iGwababa likushaye kona ukuqeqeshayo ukuthi igcine kulula yabo manje Oliwe manje umalume.
Uke wakhala ngokuthi ngesikhathi nihlele police station nalo sisi kwangena le ndoda ivele iboshiwe yayikade iboshelweni
wayekade emshayile
icala laseLvuloba.
Remember ngesikhathi like let's go back afika wamshaya wangifonela wathi ngicela ngize ngizomthatha because ngiyazi abakuhlala kanje kanjani sashintsha iroom saya komunye umqasho yabo hoping ukuthi angesitholakala. I don't know who told the guy ukuthi simuphi umqasho. So there was a day where wangena necapha khona. Ngena necapha phethe Steve eclassini yabo inkomishi iMark. Le inkomishi le yasikeni le yakudala. Bambe yona khona Steve lapho phakathi. Wathi ngena. Wonke umuntu wayese roomini akambonanga that time and mind you sase singekho soba uthi we roomini because sase sivile ngamahebies uthi lo mjudu uyanibheka. So nathi like mina naye sizama ukuthi sisondeze abantu that could look out for us because khona umngane kwakuthiwa oh come. Khona igama umngane akwa yiphoyisa. So safonela nasabase roomini elilodwa. The time engena necapha siba u4 already vele roomini yabo. Angena necapha phethe inkomishi akanandaba nokuthi khona abantu abakhona ufuna lo yamuntu ayekuyena yena. Wathi ngena wathi ngibhanga leyo nkomishi yasikeni. Ngempela lilanda onye nirapana ngobhotshisi. Fese ngoba inhleli la nonke. And then like I was so mad. Mina nginalento ukuthi angazi ngisuke ngithembeni. But washa umuntu wesifazane phambi kwami. Angazi usuke kukhona nekhanda nalento ukuthi ngingasiza. Angazi kanjani angazi ngisuke ngithembeni but I do it. So lo suku ngingena phakathi and I was like Shamina. We laughed. I was like, oh yamthanda. Ngithanda ngempela. Kwasha bacima futhi amalanga. So sathatha isinqumo sosingalelo suku like sizohamba suvula icala on that day. Sahamba sawuvula icala ngalelo suku kwafika bhala phansi ukuthi kwenzakaleni. Ulontozana umjida wathathwa on the spot lapha endlini. Because kwasekugcwele kwasekuyisini nje enkulu mfethu ememeza lapho umfazi wami ngamthela ngenyongo wena ungangane mina ezokhuliswa esitabane yabo yonke leyo nto leyo. Yeah. I-anchor le like insika Well, okay, jwayele ukuba semkhumbini. Like if maybe mabefuna ukumisa or in cases of like ships sinking and all of that, bayikhipha yona neshandisi le. So it sort of gives you a common ground. So it basically means I refuse to sink. Kahle kahle lento la. From all the negativity yakhona then, I mean I refuse to sink. Tsika yami le. Love yourself. Ayekho ozokuthanda ukudlula wena. Yo, I feel like, okay, into engayisho nje ukubona ukuthi stop being ignorant. Educate yourself more ngalezi zinto lezi because nokuthi siphele siyanda. Honestly. So if you're going to like suppress be ignorant ukuthi ayikho lento ngeke ngivumelana nalento angeke kuze kusize lokho because more kids are getting born. Sikhuluma nje bayazalwa manje abanye. So have an open mind, seek knowledge. Mhlambe izokufica nawe kini lento ekhaya. Mhlambe nawe one day you're going to wake up and realize no actually ngingala. So akukho kudlula ukuthi nje don't be ignorant. Zama ukuthi wamukele izinto ezenzeka emhlabeni. Labo bazali ngithi kubona abayeke ukuyenza leyo nto because they losing their kids without even noticing that they losing their kids. Umuntu ayitshela ukuthi usanengane yakhe la but ayisekho at all. Because lesisho sithi we get family from abantu bangaphandle is really true. And kuba worse kakhulu futhi in situations like these, like ukuthi umzali suppress ingane yenze mistake ngenkani, then they end up telling themselves this is not my family. Ngiyaphuma ingqondo yami masingasekho lapho ngisho umzimba wami ungalapho but akusizi. Khona abantu abahlala nabazali babo kodwa ukwazi ukuthi lo akuyena uma wami because of izinto ekanjalo. So don't lose your kids. Don't lose your kids. Like you're going to miss out on the best moments you could ever have nengane zakho because of izinto ekanjalo.